Next we'll see some more examples of definite and indefinite articles. We'll read it one by one. El bar, that means the bar. El peluquero means the barber. El huevo means the egg. Note that all these are singular and are satisfying the condition of being masculine. That's why el is used. Similarly, check the words in the ending, the letters in the ending. Over here we can see that they are plural. So remove the s in the ending. So we get camarero. So ending is o, that's why masculine. So los camareros. Here it is es in the ending. So what we get in the ending is n. Again we have got the condition for being a masculine word. Since it is plural, it is los botones, that means the buttons. Los jardines means the gardens. For feminine, it is la mesa, la secretaria, la campana, means the table, the secretary and the bell. Las enfermeras, las dentistas, las casas, means the nurses, the dentists and the houses. Okay, I think we have got pretty good understanding of definite and indefinite articles and how they change according to the gender and singular and plural forms. So after learning about definite and indefinite articles, let's move on and learn something about the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, unlike English, Spanish has 3 words to denote this and that. So in English we use this and that, but in Spanish we have got 3 of them. In English we say this or that depending upon whether the object is close to us or far from us. In Spanish, este means this and ese means that. But as I said that we have got 3 words to denote this and that. So we have got another separate word called aquel or aquel to denote that one over there. That means we have classified that into 2 types. Ese means that which is a bit far from us, and aquel means that one over there which is more far away from us. Aquel and aquilla imply the remoteness of the object, as in over there or far away from us. Again we have got the rules for gender and the number of noun, that is singular or plural. So we'll learn that first for the masculine and then for the feminine. Masculine, if we remember the rule, loners, L-O-N-E-R-S, the words ending in these letters are masculine for the most of the cases. So in masculine, singular, it is este, that means this, ese means that, and aquel means that one over there, the far one. For plural, it is estos, that means these, esos means those, and aquellos means those, the far one. For feminine, it is for singular, esta means this, esa means that, and aquella means that one over there. And for plural feminine, it is estas, these, esas, those, and aquellas means those, the far one. We'll see this with an example to get a better understanding of demonstrative adjectives. Este libro, that means this is, we have seen that there is masculine noun and a singular. So este libro, this book. Ese libro means that book. And aquel libro means that book, which is far more. Similarly with the feminine, esta mesa. Mesa means table. Esta mesa means this table. Esa mesa means that table. And aquella mesa means that table, which is farther or far more the distance than any of them. Now that we have learned the demonstrative adjectives, it's time to test what we have learned. So, here we have an exercise for you. Example, the statement we have is este vino es bueno. That means this wine is good. The answer is aquel vino también es bueno. That means that wine also is good. So what you have to do is, you are being given 5 statements on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you have to change the position of those objects or those persons. Like in the example, este vino, this means this wine. I've changed it to that wine, so I've changed the distance. This to that and that to this. Okay, that's how you'll solve these 5 statements. Also note that I've included one extra word in the statement, and that is también. También means also. There's a rule behind writing the también word in Spanish, and that is it comes before the verb. So, aquel vino también es bueno. That wine also is good. So, change this to that and that to this, and write down these answers. After you write down these answers, check the answers for yourself, and I hope you are good to go.